Hi and welcome to my kitchen. Today we'll be making lemon pound cake. I am so excited to be sharing this perfect tea time cake with you guys, especially in this weather. This cake is soft, moist, fluffy and so delicious, especially with that lemony glaze. I have taken quite a few attempts to get this perfect and I'm so excited that I'm finally sharing it with you guys. If you do try out this recipe, let me know down in the comment section how it turns out. And if you're new to my channel, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe down below. Now let's get started. To begin, I'm going to add 1 cup sugar and 3/4 cup softened unsalted butter to a mixing bowl. For this recipe, make sure you use all ingredients that are at room temperature. Now I'm going to add to this 2 tablespoons vegetable oil. You can use any flavorless oil for this recipe. After adding the oil, I'm going to whisk this well till it is light and fluffy. I'm going to grate in some lemon rind. This will add a nice subtle lemon taste to the cake. Now it's time to add in the eggs. I'm going to add in 1 egg at a time, and after I add in every egg, I'm going to whisk this mixture. This will make sure the cake turns out to be nice and fluffy. Now it's time to prepare the dry mixture for the cake. So I've taken 224 grams of maida in a bowl. To this I'm going to add 1.5 teaspoons of salt and 1.5 teaspoons of baking powder, and I'm going to whisk this well so that it is mixed completely. Now for the final step, what I've done is I've taken 7 tablespoons of room temperature milk. I'm going to add in half the milk and half the maida mixture to the batter. I'm going to whisk this well. After that, I'm going to add in the second half of the milk mixture and the second half of the maida mixture till all the ingredients are completely mixed well. With a spatula, I'm going to clean the side of the mixing bowl and whisk this mixture one last time. I'm going to now butter my loaf pan very well on all 4 sides. I'm using a loaf pan here. You can use a loaf pan, you can use a square or a round baking pan also if you like to. I've lined my baking tray with parchment paper like this so that I can easily lift up the cake once it's ready. Now I'm going to pour in my batter. Bake this in my preheated oven at 175 degrees for 50 to 55 minutes. I have put the cake in the oven to bake. Now let's move on to the glaze. For this, I'm adding 100 grams of icing sugar to a bowl. To this, I'm going to add the juice of 2 whole lemons. I'm going to give this a good mix and make sure it is a nice runny liquid like this. You don't want your glaze to be either too thick or too thin, or it won't set well on the cake. So it should look something like this. My cake is now ready and has been cooling for 10 minutes. I'm now going to add on the glaze. After adding all the icing to the cake, I've let it cool down completely. In this process, the icing has also set, and look how delicious that looks. Not only does this cake look amazing, but it tastes so good. You guys have to try it. I hope you guys enjoyed this video and do try out this yummy cake recipe at home. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.